Hello everybody, this is Abhishek and today in this video I'll be going to demonstrate one of the compile system software and a compiler program related to a topic that is simulation of a macros. Actually, macro instruction is a notation that is convenience for a programmer. It allows the programmer to write the shorthand versions of a program. So and over you can see the algorithm which we'll be using over here. It's uh, get a C program which includes a macro definition. So initially we'll be having a C program that consists of a macro definition, and then after that our second step will be to expand the macro by replacing the macro call with the macro body, and while expanding replace the formal parameter with the actual parameter. Okay, so now over this will be replacing all the macro calls with the macro body, and while expanding we'll replace all the form parameters with the actual parameters, and our last step will be to print the expanded out code. So over here you can see like this is a flowchart. This is a general flowchart of a simulation of a microprocessor. Input file will be taken, the it will be scanned for the macros and extracted macros with the name and the definition, and after that scan for the macros name. Well, we'll be replacing the formal parameter with the actual parameter, and the process file will be given out. And over here you can see this this will for this video, this code, the macro code is taken as an input and the following output has been expected. So here's the program. So where you here you can see a package name as microprocessor is being invoked. Then after there's the package name. Then the main program starts from here, like uh, try string s string. The two strings are created, one is s and another is a array type string, that is fr, and another string that a variable which is array type string has been created, that is var, and it's declared as a null type. So over here you can see this is the line which is actually taking the input from a file which we have, which is stored into the particular directory over here, like file f is equal to new file, and there's a directory name as D education semester 6th lab compiler experiment 3. There's a file name is input text. So over here I'll show you, there's a file over here. Yeah, so over here you can see there's a input file. There's the same input which has been was there in the earlier which I showed. This is the macro program. From this will be will be removing all the macro definitions, and after that this the file, each and every line from this file has been is read, and after that where it says while e as is equal to bf dot read line is not equal to null. That is we have to read each and every line from the given file unless until it becomes null. So after that we are separating each and every uh, lines which has been read from the file, and through the line like a string tokenizer str new string dot s system dot out dot print ln if I is greater than 0. So we have to print each and every uh, lines which is read unless until the condition is greater than 0. So over here after that you can see like the system dot out as replaces the minimum and the number 1, and after that the system dot output println, there is incrementation of a file over here, and after that you can see like a system dot out dot println all the files which has been read from the particular directory here is directly from the D directory, the education dot file has been recommended of, we get the output over here. So since when we run this program over here, like the initially we see like the file of the this was the initial file over here, which is taken as the input, and from this we are getting the output over here. You can see all the macro definitions like has defined main x comma y has been removed, and this is the expected output for my following program. Thank you for watching this video.